Hello there, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you once again for coming to my line dance channel to learn a new dance called Blame Texas. It's a beginner level, 32 counts, 4 walls. It's choreographed by Sarah Gill and Destin Valcala. And of course, there are no tags and restarts because it's beginning. So let's turn around and get going. Starting this out with what we call a Lindy step. And a Lindy breaks down to be a side chassé, step together, step, and a rock recover on an angle, back. So if you ever see that written, they're called Lindy, chassé, rock recover, or shuffle side, rock recover. So we have shuffle side, back, rock, recover, step for a grapevine, left, right, back, quarter turn to your left foot, all your weight's on your left, and do a little scuff with your right. Okay, grapevine, quarter turn, scuff. From the top, 6, 7, 8, we have 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, vine 5, 6, turn 7, and brush. From here, a very basic rocking chair. Step forward, right, recover on your left, rock back, right, recover on your left. Even counts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a forward step on your right, turn to your left, half a turn, pivot, all your weight ends on your left. Right, left, 2 stomps coming slightly forward, stomp, stomp. Rocking chair, pivot turn, stomp, stomp. So we're here because we just did the scuff, so our right foot is free. We have right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for my beginners, when you do a pivot turn, you want to change your weight. So I'm going to step forward. I'm not going to stay on my right foot. I'm going to put all my weight on my left so I can do that. All right? How about from the beginning? 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, go left and right and brush to your rocking chair, right and left and right and left. Step 5, step 6, stomp 7 and 8. Weight is on your left. Taking a jazz box, turning a quarter. So the first step is just going to cross over, 1. And then for the next 2, we're going to gradually make that turn. 2, left foot, 3. And to finish your jazz square, this one crosses over. Sometimes the turning is a little different or we land together. This one is just going to be here. You go about an eighth and an eighth and cross over. That's your 4th count. I'm going to do it over here so you can see it. All I'm doing on that is going cross, out, over. Okay? So after you do the box step and you're here and you got your left foot, you're going to step and go side to side with your hips. So you're just going to go right, left, simply. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what that looks like from here would be my box would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and you'll be at wall 6 from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chassé out and rock for the Lindy, grapevine with a scuff. And we have 1, 2, 3, half turn on 5 and 6, stomp 7 and 8. Box 1, 2, cross your left, over, push, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left, you're at 6 o'clock. The next count of 8 is going to be another step scuff forward. So I'm on my left, take your right foot, step right, brush your left, step on your left, do another pivot turn all the way to your right. Now, we're going to take our left foot, and as we step forward, you're still following your right shoulder. As you step forward on your left, start to turn it to do a Lindy to the left, chassé left, and a rock recover, which then allows you to start it on the next side, because that's the end of the dance. Surprise! So let's go over that again. I'm going to turn my back so you can see it, and it'll make it, you understand it a little bit better. So the first thing that we're going to do is that step brush. Okay, so you're going to step on the right foot and go 1, and you're going to brush 2. And you're going to step forward 3 and turn 4. Now, you're going to take another quarter turn, step to the side. You're facing 9 o'clock, and that leads you into your chassé and a rock recover. okay? Everywhere we're turning there, it makes it hard. The part that you need to remember is that after you do the half pivot turn, this one, that you keep following your right shoulder and do that chasse and that Lindy, because then you start with another chasse Lindy, okay? We'll go back to the beginning, we'll add that on, and hopefully it'll make sense. We'll do it at a couple of walls, all right? Starting with your right foot for your Lindy step. 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2, rock 3, grapevine goes 5, 6 quarter turn, 8, rock 1, 2, follow your left shoulder pivot, 5, 6, stomp 7, jazz box, follow your right shoulder, 6 o'clock, cross, 4, push 5, push 6, push 7, 8, step right forward, brush, half, turn, quarter, chasse, rock, here we go, 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, grapevine 6, 7, here's your rocking chair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp 7, 8, box to your right, 3, 4, and right, and left, and right, step right, right, brush, right, turn, cha, 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 rock, step, and you keep going. All right, so it's, if you're a beginner, there's some lovely beginner steps in here to learn and to have in your line dance database. And it's a song is fun. It's Cody Johnson, who I love, and it's a little upbeat. So I hope that you'll like it, and I'm sure that Sierra and Dustin hope that you like it also. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. It really is lovely when you like it, like the video, and share it, and leave comments. That would be just awesome. All right, so I'm going to turn around. We're going to give this a shot with some music. We have a 16 count intro. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1.
My tequila with an ice cold beer, blame
Rock and turn with your stomps. Get your chest wet.
If I swear there ain't no better place than here,
step rush,
Blaine, Texas.
half turn, quarter turn.
If you think I say a few words wrong and find a way to put a fiddle in every song. If I take George Strait over Elvis, Blaine, Texas. But if you wonder why she packed all her things, let me back here alone in the Lone Star State. Yeah, I messed up a good thing again, guess I just can't help it. She loved the wild of the skies, no, she didn't want to leave. Did her wrong, now she's gone and it's all on me. Coming back, no she ain't, wish I could, but I can't. Blame Texas. If I got a little outlaw in my blood, blame Texas. If all my settled down or out on the road, blame Texas. If you always see me out in my cowboy hat, a little red on my neck and some sweat on my back. If I ain't the kind of mess to mess with, blame Texas. So if you wonder why she packed all her things, let me back here alone in the Lone Star State. Yeah, I messed up a good thing again, guess I just can't help it. She loved the wild of the skies, no she didn't want to leave. Did her wrong, now she's gone and it's all on me. Coming back, no she ain't, wish I could, but I can't. Blame Texas. Like a shiner rock along, making Sunday cowboy football. And I can hold my own on a pissed off bull, but I can't hold on to a woman at all. If you wonder why she packed all her things, let me back here alone in a Lone Star State. Yeah, I messed up a good thing again, guess I just can't help it. She loved the wild of the skies, no she didn't want to leave. Did her wrong, now she's gone and it's all on me. Coming back, no she ain't, wish I could, but I can't. Blame Texas. Coming back, no she ain't, wish I could, but I can't. Blame Texas.
Now the music kind of finishes out. But that is how the choreographers do it, because this just kind of fades to the end, and if you try to join back in, so right at that last part, you kind of cross that leg over, give yourself an end, give yourself a finish. So, whatever you do, don't blame Texas. Fun beginning dance. Once again, I so appreciate you guys coming here to check this out. Remember to subscribe, and if you are in the LA area, come find me, come see me, come dance with me. That would be totally awesome. So anyway, I guess I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks.